Alrighty, here we go. Doing alright, doing okay. Been sick all week. Oh, it's horrible. So I haven't posted anything, haven't really traded anything. So today's my first day back into it and had a win straight off the bat. So that was good. Got 3 trades going now. One's in profit, one's about break even, maybe a little bit of loss, and I think the other one's in loss. But anyway, let's have a look. So I finally got out of this Aussie JPY, the Aussie yen, that's been tormenting me for bloody over a week. Oh, I just wouldn't give in. Good thing I got out. Look where I got out, right there. Just if I stayed in, it'd be like way up here, but then it'd be back down here. So what the anyway, still would have tortured me though for another few days. So how I got out of this, what I done? All right, we had our originals, didn't we? Had our originals down here. Okay, these are losses. I lost on these ones. All right, there it is there, roundaboutish. Okay, and I lost on this one as well. So they were 2 losses. But what I did, what I'm started doing now is adding to winning positions. Okay, if I'm in profit, I'm starting to add to them. Okay, put other trades like what I did here. Okay, we had our big one up here, didn't we? This big one, it come down, boom. Okay, then we had this other little one up in here, tucked away. See him up here? Okay, we had that one. So these two cancelled out these two. Okay, pretty much to the dollar. Okay, I was so lucky because I was in bed and I woke up and I come out and I seen it was down near, because remember it was down near that I had another trade down here, another sell, and it was there and I seen the red, but then I got the green candle and I was looking. Oh no, it's at break even. So wow, I can get out of that. So I got out of that as quick as possible. So that was lucky. Okay, and oh, man, my computer sucks. It doesn't matter. Okay, so these 2 trades cancelled out these 2 losses. Okay, so these 2 wins, they cancelled out these 2 losses, break even. Okay, I added another trade in there, another sell there on the way down. Okay, because I thought it was looking pretty strong. And it fell away, so that worked out well. Okay, in my other trade I've got going on here, this is my win I had today. Got into this one and had a win, so straight up, bloody good. Okay, so I had a win today on this one. Okay, not that one, this one. Okay, got in up here, somewhere up here, around about there. Okay, here we go. Got in up here. Jeez, come on. Okay, got in up here. Come down here, had a win. Okay, that was a win. That was a pretty good win too. That was all right. That was good. Then what I done, I put another sell. I put this sell order in before I took the win. All right, and because I thought, if it comes down, because we've got me take profit down here. There's me take profit. And I thought if I put it halfway down, can't hurt. Because if it comes down and then it, you know, goes down all the way, then I get 1.5 wins. You know what I mean? So say if I had this big win here from where I took it, say this was $1,000. Okay. So with this trade, the sell trade I added to this sell, then say, look, that would be like $1,500. Okay, you know where I'm getting at, but I'll bring out a video and explain how I do this. So anyway, I added to the trade, and now it's bounced, and I'm in a bit of loss. It's not really much. I'd say like that break even really. Okay, but I'm still confident it's going to go down. The reason I got into this trade is, okay, look at that, just going up and up and up and up and up on the 1 hour. Hit it, big rejection, come back up, hit it again. I thought it's going to get another big rejection, then maybe it'll go up to another higher high. But okay, so that's what I thought. That was my thinking. That's all I thought about getting into this. Okay, scooting up, bang, big rejection. Okay, it's trying to scoot up again, bang, hit it again, another big rejection. Okay, I'm in that. All right, so that's my whole reasoning, my whole thought process. So that one's break even. Okay, little bit of loss at the moment. Euro, pound. Okay, this one is a winner. Oh, that's more or less a break even. Well, it was a winner 5 minutes ago when I looked at it. Okay, now we've got this red candle. Okay, this is a buy. Okay, same thing with the other one, with the Swiss. Okay, it's just banging its head against there. Okay, it's on the way up. I thought it might pump up, go up. I thought bang, bang, bang there, bang, bang, come down, go, and then range a bit. It's going to come back up to here. That's my take profit. I think it's got one more wolf in it to get up there. So I'm still pretty happy with that. Again, I put another buy in. Oh, look at it. Now it's going into loss faster. Anyway, that's the way it goes. So I put another buy order. Maybe I should have moved it up a little bit. Maybe up here somewhere, bit past this. But doesn't matter. It's good. Okay. If it goes up, I'll get a win. I might even put another buy order in if it's looking strong. Maybe around here somewhere. Put another buy order in there, and then if I hit take profit, then I get the 1, 2, 3. I get three winners instead of just the one big one. All right, that's theory. That's in theory, but I'll show you how we do that anyway in my next video coming up. So okay, that's that one. It's sort of okay. It's broke even too now. Okay, it was profit, now break even. All right, let's have a look at the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD sell. Okay, it's trying hard to get me into profit. Again, I'd call that a break even as well. There's nothing in it, is there? That's nothing. Okay. But this one's in loss there. This one's in loss because I've got this sell down here and this sell up here. So if it comes down here, I could always get out of break even. This one's got me a bit worried though. This one's got me a little bit worried. I think this one would be heading up to here somewhere. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Okay, look at all that. The 4 hour. I think this is going to come up here at least. I don't know. I was thinking about hedging this, putting a hedge on this one. Because I'm scared about this one. I think this one might rocket and come all the way up to here. But this one's got me a bit worried. I was going to hedge it. Or maybe I should just get out of break even. Yeah, I don't know. Let me think about that one. I'm not sure what to do with this one. It's got me a little bit worried. Because I thought it was heading a bit down, like went down, come back up. I thought, oh yeah, okay, it's going to go down, come back up. I thought it's going to go down, but now it's come back up. Maybe it'll come back down. Okay, take profit about there. I'll take profit there. So if it comes back down here, I'll take profit. I'll get 1, 2 wins out of that. So that's good. But yeah, I don't know. This one's got me worried. This one's got me a little bit concerned. Anyway, so that's my trades. I got out of that Aussie break even, had a little win today, and pretty much 2 break evens and 1 at a bit of a loss. So that's it. I'll keep you notified. I'll post again tomorrow and let you know how them trades are going. Alrighty.